So the very end of chapter 11, page 266, on our last video 3 for chapter 11, we muted the boat clip, but I'm going to review how to do that. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that you're in the boat ride. So you can click on the boat ride layer and then come over here and click on this to make sure you're still in it. It's outlined. This is the boat ride clip, and then you're going to click on the upper right hand corner and you're going to click on the audio options here and mute audio so that the music won't play during the section. And then you're going to click down here in the panel to close that, and then page 267 at the very top, click the small triangle at the right of the end of the 3_ dog at the beach. There we are. Click here. And you're going to click the top right corner on audio. Make sure this is also muted. So for you it'll be on. You want to click it, turn it off, or mute it. You want to make sure you mute it. And then click down here to deselect it. I'm going to make sure that I have the right thing for the boat ride. It needs to be muted. So I want to mute it. Okay. Now I think I have it right. Alright, number 5 in the audio tab. Click the audio tab to see the audio options. And then select the mute audio. We did that. We need to save our work. File. Save. Rendering the video. So rendering means that we're changing the file, we're exporting it so that people can see it. So we're going to go over here to choose File, and then Export and Render Video. Or click the Render Video button in the lower left corner of the timeline. So we have a new little box that's come up with some options for us to take a look at, and we're going to name the file 11 Final MP3 or MP4. It's an MP4. So we're going to type 11 and Final. Let's select the folder. Navigate to your H drive. Which, for me, I need to save mine on my G drive. Oh no, I'm going to save mine on my Google Drive, but you should probably save in your H drive. You may not have room. Video files are huge, so you may also want to save your work in your Google Drive. So we're going to click on that Google Drive. So I'm going to open that up and then go to Computer Graphics. And I'm going to go to my book lessons. And select folder. Okay, so from the preset menu, choose YouTube HD 720 pixels. So here's your preset, and you have several different options on here. So the setting that you're going to look for says YouTube HD, 720 pixels, 29.97, and that's in there in your settings, okay? Now you're going to click on Render. You won't get this message, I just did. And it usually takes several seconds for it to render. I'm going to go ahead. So you just wait until this is finished. Once you think it's done rendering, looks like my Photoshop. Okay, there we go. So once you think it's finished rendering, you're going to save your work one more time. Just hit File, Save. And then we're going to turn the page, go over to page 268, go back to wherever you have your work saved. So now you're going to go click on your file folder. Some of you saved your work on your H drive. Some of you saved it on your Google Drive. Go back. I have my work saved on my Google Drive. Find the video that says 11 Final MP4. And then open that up. And you can take a look at the file that you created, the video that you created. And that's it. You're finished.